Welcome back to the 30-day low-fat vegan weight loss challenge. Today is day 25. If you're new here, follow the playlist in the description box to catch up on all the daily videos and start your own 30-day challenge. I'm going to share some really easy cooking hacks to get the most flavor out of your meals without adding sugar, oil, or salt. Sugar and salt are appetite stimulants. So starting off your day with something sugary or salty could actually cause you to have increased cravings for more sugar and salt later on in the day. Tip number 1, saute vegetables in water with the lid on. Certain vegetables like onions, zucchini, and celery have natural saltiness to them when cooked. So sauteing them with water only and adding them to a rice bowl, for example, will add that salty taste to the dish without added calories from oil. And remember, oil is almost 4,000 calories per pound. Tip number 2, blending soups into creamy goodness. If you're having a tough time enjoying food without added salt, blending soups with onions, potatoes, and other veggies and beans can really help bring out the flavors. Also, add in some nutritional yeast, which will add a cheesy flavor to it. Tip number 3, add fruit to salads. Chopping up a ripe mango or adding some mandarin orange slices to a salad can add some flavor without adding fat. It's not going to be the same as avocado, seeds, or other higher fat ingredients that you may be used to adding to your salad, but your palate will adjust after a few weeks. Tip number 4, air fry potatoes and dip them into blended bean dips. This is a great replacement for nachos and guacamole or chips and creamy high-fat dips. You can also prep this in advance and portion it out into little containers so that when you feel like snacking, you have the dip already made. And if you don't have time to chop and air fry potatoes, you can dip carrot sticks or cherry tomatoes into the dip. I mentioned in my last video how I ate no oil fries and spinach chickpea dip almost every single day for lunch because it tastes so good and it doesn't feel like you're eating quote unquote diet food. It goes without saying that we're not adding any oils to this or any of our meals. And if you're just stumbling upon my videos and haven't checked out the entire 30 videos in 30 days that I'm uploading, this is an oil-free, low-fat vegan way of eating. And I follow the principles of calorie density, which enables you to lose weight while eating as much as you need to be comfortably full. Tip number 5. Similar to sauteing the veggies in water, you can actually saute slices of apples or peaches in water and add cinnamon and cook for at least 20 minutes with the lid on until the fruit gets nice and soft, and you can eat this as a snack on its own or add it to oatmeal, which is so delicious. It tastes like apple pie filling. Tip number 6 isn't a cooking tip as much as it is a mindset one, and it's just a reminder that when you're switching from a standard American diet where the packaged foods and restaurant meals are loaded with sugar, oil, and salt, it is going to take time for your taste buds to get used to enjoying whole natural foods again. But it will happen. You'll get to the point where you can just bite into a baked potato or sweet potato or even steamed broccoli, and it tastes so good just as it is. Do you have a tip you want to share? If so, feel free to leave it in the comment section. Have a beautiful day, and I'll see you tomorrow.